Ememu akwa bason called Badwam TV Badwam eso adwada fefe rade de amayenie Badwam dwumadie na yashase ne yede kase no ene edi kan de amount sam no do so ne todwa mu bi ya obetini ene ya make say eye ntokwa nom ne ade ya ekokọ so ewo nkwantanam so ema owura bia wonya mfie aduanan enso eto nananom nsie do no ya pene krabre yede honsam no ebeba Abamu a wanya mfie duonu enso 27 otu galamse akodi aposifo nsam bone bay na waye ye de honsam no so beba sansam no ene nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase Go TV o hwehwe ya obenya yen wo channel 119 DSTV channel no 280 YouTube Adom TV tube ho nyina ye wo ho a wo Facebook nso /Adom TV extra medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT seden samni chiremu atie ankasa Togo ni de hye ya wonya mfie aduonu anson wosan etu galamse ni din de Baba Haruna ene ya make sai BNI bambofo akire no ewo dia so wo Upper Dentra West mensimu ewo mfinfini mantemu ne bone ene sei aboni chiremu pose abamu mfie aduonu 20 years ani din de Maxwell Amponsa okwa kokum no na wode na akoye nyankomade a ehun sika som 80,000 Ghana cedi Adom TV kase etwaso yi
metintie bi se bibi koso dide koso nche se obi ho a wo pe obi odi obi be diska na kwan be ne be fa so ebe na se mtu nsuo na me se konfo a wo de ne de eba nti mama se ne ne kan se kam ko asore nti mama se ne ba be shen da tumu na me de me fefe abuafo se bia base ye nipa ndo ne ba ye benya ensa be kanipa no ye de na koma police nti na me gina sa me kase me konfo me yo hina nkasa
Abranti ananka nadamfo ede ne koye sa enyambra semi Maxwell Amponsa na ochire mu se
ye ko adwuma na weakness ne anope na ewufie mesi nyoma kwa sidabi mayen kombla ne be 11 ne aba nkoji mi pe kulo nya wotere na nkoji ansana ya kwa sidabi osiyambla ye baya ye konya osi ye kone sister o mu ye program na msiu ayejina kuruma biamba no sini braba be faye na bla ibaye ti ya baye na mi hunse wiesi awo se sa ombekumi mi mashime obekumi peska obi aminimu ba bia obekumi sema yawden
Baba Haruna enso editu dwase ono de no wo hwekwan ne se obenya sika esanti ye na adwen se ne wode nadamfo ibekọ no akwa Ghana cedi empemedu watwe 80,000 nanso fofi antwata e na posifo akire no
no de yesa sika
peska nipa no ya odian ya
Wonderful.
Sufri him.
Hefretobo.
Umi ano sufri tobo. Ando sufri.
Afrika wase.
Fidi asem na okatre na asa na ode ne ba.
Obache se e program bi eko Mr. program bi eko
Mayanto akase no eso na yenko yensan foforo emunti Togo ni de hye ya wonya mfie aduonu enso ichimopo na damfo nkokokum no na wote ho asam no na yebora yensan foforo mu owura bia wonya mfie aduanan enso ya ntokwa ekoso ewo nkwanta south nam so tututu okọ mu ebi kan no amoto na nanom nsie do no na wotwe wie yi amamra ni amane akoso isanso ye kramuni nti apene krabe Adom kase etwaso
onu nyankopon so eden wa fa na de enye obi anakum ye nua no eye ne mra ekwan a wonu ankasa be den obefa so de akọ afri wiase no enti mesre abrantie bia wa ha se mo bia anya ade bia ebegu yanim ase obi an control na kuma mo obi nguma anim ase mesre mo eye enhyehyaya ma mini abanbofo no ansa na omudi amu no emaye se obi eye bibi ka odimi edi ato asemu
Adom kase amane boni obrempombo wusoni afiriwa Mohammed ya ne ba ene rasta etwetwe enkomo na akoye adwadwetwa ene ne suo esanse maami kira ne ba no etise tututu bi ekoso na odi mirika be fa ne maami akodam a eho enokosia ne nkwanhia wuo
Oba be family would you would juma and pack me to you na man for you. And I'm a pack. I said, me or yard for tin in Nia, Bagua would in it. Unswanya Tissan will do what you can have for mood. A comment. Do not do that, my packing on one fact. I just say one of the ones who are Tissan who say, Niano, Anya for family. No, so I saw said, or Pack of family. The one who could have the map of fear and Sana Marty said, Baba was a Pack of family. O Mabo Baba. I yes, I could have no more than a doctor. I may force a missing doctor or make Sana and I say, Woman to me, in Chile, said, yes,
President and a paramount chief war more traditional council. Ye nana kwaku danko tosomi ensan ne na henka ye aka won ho abomu a wangarafo a na wone won montam chichichichi wo mu no se de wo mu nyina nom asomdwe nsuo ye koso wo kentampo na ye mensi no mo crouch pani ne tena ye chief executive officer wo kentampo Isaac Bafo ene to won safre mpanifo yi ahodo yi a wo mu dwendwen di nkomo a ede asomdwe beba ene wo mu nyina to wo ho ase asomdwe afa ne to pa efrey
Panyini a wosan so ye himpoporo e wo mo traditional council na nakwaku dankwa wotoso mies ene na hemfo atenase a wone panyimfo a wonom eda wangara kuruna no aka won ho abomu a wanom asumdwe abua e wo kentampo na no fiada obubobo so meda ne toso aduonu nan afempinu ene aduonu miensan mu ena sa adwumadie yi koso e wo kentampo mansini krache Isaac Bafo efie Jumadie Rexec ene music ene tenase a wodi ya ewi akire no asumdwe eba wonom entem na sede be a obetumi adi bekandi krupi afahye no e wo bra na nanom wo mu traditional council abra dedeyo e wo wonom kromu honum nti ode amanne ani amamregu akwan mu sede be ya obeyi apaye ama wonom na nanom abosom ansana wetumi adi afahye no onam sankratai so edamanfo nyina ase se wonom boa ya otumi tenase ye pa akwan pa hodo a obetumi ama asumdue aba wonom kromu honum
Atia efuo ya esum acres be 25 eye cashew ene nensuo ayirase no ewokwawu kotoso ewokwawu east mensin no mu wapoye mantam ni nyina no eye sutade akosomonu a ye bieye enti Adom TV kase etwaso
ejene fu be 58 acres ebe fa no anyiska ketwa kra na yede ye jene 1 acre bia be ya obesa abro be 40,000 for 1 acre do hwe de baya na enye asem ketwa de tosi mienu so ye me kashwa enu so lidi mu kakran akra be 35 acres insu na afa be 24-25 acres and to hwe no na ye tuagu ha ye pese di ni nua no ebe ye pam dia edua embaire na dia kanade eja
ne kasa ye mu no de adesrede ato aban animu se won mu akuafo bosia se de be ya wonu mu asansu yiri nya nsunsanso obone wo won so no obetumi ahyase aye wonu mu kua bi
me ka champion for so omra meboa ye omma emwa na loans kra no mbe man ya ibetua kokko bank akwaje loan is almost 40% interest into bajiwe wi no say security commitment ni atitis kan nyina so asande ato ba yo baby aban be motuma man loans kakra de adwuma to aso ebeboa sanska bi ebeji bia we ebetu nyina no kan abobati betua sanse dikan ye bia nyame adwenya mfaso a ye de no etuatua ka bia ye ne obi aka jesia endi se tinya bi ne de hyase de adwuma na eno so beboa nte be sempanifo sa adwuma na ye no mikita nkola 216 workers permanent a temporary be 450 na san krofo nyina ye bo mu nyina obesa kwaje be san wi ade won fa so sa kotua bank na megidi se no so mwa
Dramani Mahama wono ana Franka tuni de ma NDC amanyoko wasa kansi su biomo senyame ya na dom na Ghana editumi no ehye ne nsem so medi ye nso se ye mampani a achachefo nso hwa ye wo mode so wono madwene hwe no obetwa eno emu Adom TV kase etwaso.
Students from the colleges of education are faced with an unfair and unjustifiable licensure examination regime after they have completed a 4-year education program in our recognized tertiary colleges. the NDC government will outrightly do away with the so-called licensure exam. We will ensure that the licensing of our teachers is integrated in their curriculum when they are educated and trained while in school. So they'll be licensed while in school. So when they're doing their final exam, they will be licensed. They'll do their licensing so that they don't have to come out and write a separate exam before they achieve their license.
What you say? When in pefe pa say when ya kwenya esan ba bedu o man su bi mu a said o man sika samo aseyi ntino obefa ho kire mu pa nanso ade esi nani so se wo beye e wa kache south man sini mu eye mpumtu dwuma a wo hyase wo ne pen so a besi ne ya no wonwie.
I know we're going to inherit a very difficult economy, and that is why I have said that we will as a priority complete abandoned projects before we start new ones. And there are many abandoned projects in this district. I'm well aware of the Akachi District Hospital Expansion Project, which was 90% complete before I left office in 2016, and unfortunately has been abandoned by the current administration. But do not do so. I want to assure you today that the next government of NDC will complete the hospital expansion project.
Cyber security capacity building be eba koso a global conference on cyber security capacity building eba koso de di kan kure ni na my Ghana ya je adwano say ye beje adehye be 800 ya ifri aman awodo be 100 so e wo my Ghana mu a Adom TV kase etosui.
So during the next few days we will be hosting about 800 delegates from over 100 countries across the world. The conference will feature insightful sessions from the World Bank, Council of Europe, World Economic Forum, and other partners who are leading various sessions and pillars. I do believe the GC3B conference will bring together a combination of high-level decision makers, practitioners from government, international organizations, the private sector, civil society, academia, and many players who will important development during the conference. The conference will produce a certain document called the Accra Call. So an important legacy of this conference is the launch of the Accra Call. The Accra Call for Cyber Resilient Development, that's the full name. The Accra Call for Cyber Resilient Development is the outcome document of the GC3B, which aims to stimulate global action to elevate cyber resilience across international and national development agendas.
Anusi na president of the Global Forum of Cyber Expertise ano Christopher Painter echire mu se o man bi ye wo fa pempapa epe yedie pa no eyana cyber security ehun hia wo mo pa.
As we get more dependent, but also really think about it is the foundation for all the good things we're trying to achieve, all the connecting our citizens, all of the abilities to run our infrastructure in a more efficient ways, way to save energy, way to have sustainable development and climate control. All the things that we want to achieve, all those good things are dependent on having good security and, more importantly, in this digital age, good cybersecurity.
Speaker Ora Aban Badwam say ene Ghana nke yakomanto yenyem na se de tie bia no LGBTQI eye bill no de ede ya umbe passe na fe o man ye hunu be bia yegina Adom kase edeba.
The cost of the LGBT is so huge that our health sector in Ghana cannot support it. And those countries that are claiming to be practicing it, every day they are fighting and killing each other because of that. And they are struggling to support it in their countries. They know that it is not right. They know that it has nothing to do with human rights. Because we are not talking about gender, we are talking about sexuality.
Odene ho Dr. Afram Brempon otoso miensa eye suma manhene. Ne kasa yemu ene wadi tu da se ure ya sese wabono na adeso okohene wasi nkete se obema omen amamre ene amane aye adwuma pa wasanso ama opanyini asase eka aduonu se won fancy Institute of Parliamentary Affairs ya wode betete mabunu am wonu manyini abaye mrahye bedwafo e wonu mukuru mu honomo.
what me aji akrabo akrabo fo be ho wo bra mra yi ho asem bai ahunahuna ya ma wo dukare sika bra ye be chi ye be se musika ongo so na ni nyina chi what me adwunam ama ho apem na duru ba bia ho de duru ya na opata sesu maman ye bo maba so adasi okọ hene amede ma no na se kire ne se ye na nanom be bosoma be didi akon efiri akwamba no oba se ye wa akon na ye ko a ye ma me no ma no abango bi be konzuo begu akomene dan na dan no aye hina kese nti be konzuo na oguzu na obu faso na be ko afira no pa kosi anyumre ya tambu no nyina be mo ba be to de tu e ba ye so no be na ni nyina gusa dan nti se akomene da so akoche se wo dan sa akomene zuo no a odo be ko na wasande wa ba nti ayemrane a ye de sabosom no
Paramount Chief ya wono ewo mfifi mantemu nso ede kokobo mu odin ma ban ani amanyofo sese wo mo kwan no wo ma ma meye de a memo obi amfa V8 bia ma mefa hono mo bra wo mo bonto ye 2024 mo Nana Adom TV ede nkomo yi
se abato bosono na se dama kwan wonya ya ano enye MP wanko meka che ehuma wape abawa ya to ama ho nyinara mekro nyina do botum akom ano de hinya nyekro wa na mom akoya waraba fara akokro mo na ano abaya wanko wasam enye MP wanko na meka che sa independent candidate ya waka ho bi na meka che ahon osanda emi menyo ahima na mana nanuma wokro yanka che charagote na yamfa pickups infantu yakwa ho na yanka report hole na wonfa 1/4x4 no fa moduaro ano oyeye
Elvis Morris donko eye abura asebu kwaman kese emrahye bedwani wakire mu se akwan boni a wo no mu kuro mu hono mu no eyade ha adwene pa na se aban anhwe ama meyi a anhwe yi a afimpinu ene edunu nan abato no wonum entimi nimu enkunim
menyim pale asebu no kwado nenano yele ha kese eye hen kapan a awo asebu nkonkro binyara makota ogudu pe ye if adreso erko brafia nenano menyim na mejitum de yankura waka kabinara henu kwanan waye bibia o kakra ekwan nyina no hia na nano na ekra orbo ami empimechi na orbo abanso na chipa ye amasma ekwan
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwane de mo ko yensam foforo emu a Deputy Director General ya woda Ghana Education Service ano ye Dr. Kwabena Tando na wono so ehunu se ne wokọ Ola Girls Senior High School wa hafumantemu a omuto sini woniema hudo mu ne titi ne nkronyanom ne niema binti emwa ema adusuane adekire enkoso se de wo se koso wo manya mfinhie aduonum wo afahye na se na pani de sansemi etudwa
bae no yen aye hu se sukuru se wo ha nia a Ola Girls ka ho no nioma bi wo ho wo se yetumi hwe ne ye de etutu ye sukuru dan a aban sisi ene ade no hwe nkola omo wa ha wo se omutumi nya bi ka ho ti se the headmistress na so kan no administration block no omunya afoforo nka se fata nti no we ye nioma yeso ye bekoso na ya advocate wo enkran ama aban so atonani ahwe ha ti se the aban tonani ehwe bebre no
ama fempoma esuade ewo Ola Girls School mu ho no mo pen na woni amani boni enkomo twetwemu ene wakire mu se esan se wonum ani adan dodo ewo school mu ho no mo nti kyekye ni bia wode ne beba ho no mo no ya no pre se obeyi na firi ho no mo akoba ebi foforo
just teacher for na bi o ma setna ma na bibi wo ha o many njem so they come here and then leave to seek better conditions somewhere but say bianca baby I watch natural because now we all know say spend most of our day at our workplace. It is environment in the year. And see, I add my voice to the call for a bigger administration block. I better accommodate teachers in the year. But until said no, if we can do something about the conditions of the staff room and condition of the teachers, so that I'm better and make them.
Ghana mampani na na dodanko Akufo-Addo so de kokobopa na ema enipa bi a wonre ayo omadwen sa asumdua ye wo memu wo mbetoto no ase oso wo munchu ho emfiri ho fise koba ne saade a na ne mmra no ewo ho be ye na adwuma sade tie ene me kasa General Assembly eye Presbyterian Church of Ghana wo special send off service a won ye de ma wo moderator na yama mpani na nado ko ho a wo den semi etudwa.
I want to assure you that the Akufo-Addo government is working hard to return the economy to the high rates of growth that characterized the management of the economy in the years preceding the COVID outbreak in 2020, which made our economy one of the fastest growing in the world at the time. We can only do so if we forge ahead in unity and faith and have the belief that by the grace of Almighty God, the fortunes of Ghana under the presidency of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo will be restored.
Right Reverend Professor Joseph Obri Abuamante Ekasayemu no and wadi tu just say
Nigeria, where somebody went to church to thank God and they were all praising and worshiping God because the president had he's got his papers to come to Ghana. Now, you're to Ghana. You're dear Huatamsa. I just came back from Abuja. And the ambassador Mekane said, let us love one another, let us respect one another, and let us love our nation.
National Pensions Regulatory Authority in Peninfo Echo Jumedia CB. Once someone would do two Jano, any.
And also the Abbey Juma. Now, obey share first Sunday in October every year as Pension Sunday, and all the congregations of the Presbyterian Church, more than 5,000, they are to talk about pension, and MPRA will send staff there, and then we're also to train the pastors so that even if we can't send staff there, they will be able to talk about pension.
Aminyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay wadaroma me de asie me da sepa so jebre ehwe nkoba bia omanhene kwabna santen so e kame ho ye woda bonkrata na wa ha online stories no so wa ha ye de bro ye nche